The Rakowe 3000W folding electric bike delivers very strong dual motor power and climbing performance that feels confident on steep hills and loose terrain. Its high-capacity 48-volt removable battery supports genuinely long rides, making it practical for both daily commuting and weekend exploring without constant charging anxiety. The 26-inch fat tires, full suspension, and dual disc brakes work together to keep the bike stable and controlled on rough trails, sand, snow, and wet city streets. A compact folding frame makes this powerful electric bike surprisingly easy to store in small spaces or load into a vehicle for trips. Riders can switch among pure electric, pedal assist, and regular pedaling modes, so it adapts well to everything from relaxed cruising to more fitness-oriented rides. The backlit smart display, integrated lighting, and generally solid build quality give the bike a modern, well-thought-out feel that suits serious everyday use.